Ciao, this is Vito from Vitos Italian Cucina. Uh-oh, it's time. That's right, it's time. Remember earlier I put out this one video to tell you that I was going to be doing Jap Chae. Yes, Jap Chae. Ciao, this is Vito from Vitos Italian Cucina, and the chef is out for dinner. That's right, I'm taking the day off. So guess where I am? I'm at Lee's Tofu House here in Valencia, California. It's one of the best Korean restaurants. I love Korean food also. I love lots of stuff. So I wanted to come here. I wanted to get what they call Jap Chae. And I believe that it's spelled Japchae, Jap Chae. And it's a dish that's noodles. It's got vegetables. It's got some beef in it. And I think you're going to love it. It's kind of sweet a little bit. And I really love it. And what I want to do is I want to make it for you. So I'm coming. Japchae. Yes, it's a Korean dish with noodles and all kinds of good stuff. In fact, here's the noodles right here. Look at them. They're right here. They're sweet potato noodles. You can get them. You can get them in your store. They're wonderful noodles. Oh, and I love this red pepper. And it's going to be in it. There's going to be carrots. There's going to be onions. Anyway, we're doing it today, and we're going to bring it to you. The whole episode. We're going to show you how to make it. You're going to have a good time. And maron ciao for now. Well, that's it. Sure hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you try this. Listen, if you just want to go out somewhere to a Korean restaurant and try it, and then go ahead and see if you can make it. I know you can. You kidding? If I can do it, you can do it. Anyway, doing it yourself, homemade, with the familia, the family. With the love. I love it. Vitos Italian Cucina right here. A little bit of Korean food for you. Today was Jap Chae. Thanks for joining us.